Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the day 2 evidences supporting Pangea. Objectives: identify and explain the four types of evidence supporting Pangea. Classify given example into biological, geological, climate, or seafloor spreading evidence. And show curiosity about how scientists gather evidence to support theories. For motivational activity, okay, continental puzzle race. Form Pangea in 3 minutes. First correct team wins. Okay, from teacher bibigyan kayo ng yung world map representing the different continents. Okay, world map per group, cut out continents or glue or tape and Manila paper and 3-minute timer. Okay, divide the class into groups of 4 to 5. Give each group the cut out continents and Manila paper. Challenge: arrange the continents to form Pangea in 3 minutes. The first group with the correct arrangement wins. Okay, criteria: continents fit logically, coastlines align especially South America and Africa, arrangement resembles Pangea. Okay, hindi man eksaktong talagang fit na fit kasi nag-iba nga yung may marami nang na-damage na area. At least may part kayo na mag-complement. What did you notice about the coastlines? Did some continents fit like puzzle pieces? What might this suggest about the Earth long ago? Okay, scientists noticed the same puzzle-like fit and proposed that continents were once joined as Pangea before drifting apart. Ayan. The scientists discovered fossils of Mesosaurus in South America and Africa. So kung titignan magkalayo, masyadong the ocean is so vast, sobrang layo. Kung magkalayo talaga yan noon, imposible naman na nakalangoy, nakatawid. So according sa idea ng mga scientists, magkarugtong yung dalawang yan. And kung titingnan mo yung figure, they are fit to each other. And isang evidence na nakita nga yung fossil of Mesosaurus. The freshwater reptile Mesosaurus fossils found in both continents. Scientists discovered fossils of the freshwater reptile Mesosaurus in South America and Africa. Could Mesosaurus swim across ocean? Kaya niya kayang languyin yun kung talagang magkalayo na noon yung dalawang continent. So what does this suggest about the continents? What type of evidence is this? And how does seafloor spreading support continental movement? Okay, evidences supporting the existence of Pangea. Scientists did not simply guess that Pangea existed. They gathered different types of evidence to support this idea. These evidences are classified into 4 major categories. Yan. Number 1 category po natin is the biological evidence. Fossils of identical plants and animals have been found on continents that are now far apart. A well-known example is the fossil of Mesosaurus, a freshwater reptile that lived about 300 million years ago. Fossils of Mesosaurus are found only in South America and Africa. Since this reptile could not swim across vast ocean, this suggests that these continents were once connected. Yun, yung isa sa reason or isa sa evidence, yung biological evidence na yung nakuhang fossil ng Mesosaurus in both continent na the same na mayroon. Okay, letter B, the second evidence is the geological evidence. So, under the geological evidence, we have several evidences. We have the jigsaw fit of continents. Yan, kung titignan mo itong South America sa Africa, pag kinat out mo yung ocean at pinagdikit mo, it seems that they are just like a puzzle. Ganon din ito sa Africa and India, Antarctica and Australia. So, talagang sila, parang puzzle na pag pinagdugtong mo, magiging isa. Okay, number 2 under ng geological evidence is the rock cratons. The very old rock formation called cratons, over 2 billion years old, are found in both South America and Africa. These rock structures line up when the continents are placed together. Okay, under pa rin ng geological evidence, we have the tectonic feet or the mountain belts. Fragments of ancient mountain ranges are found on widely separated continents today. For example, parts of the Caledonian Mountain Belt are located in Greenland, Canada, Ireland, Scotland, and Scandinavia. When the continents are reassembled, these mountain belts form a continuous chain. Yun, pag pinagdugtong-dugtong mo daw po sila is para silang isang chain of mountain or the mountain belts na naghiwa-hiwalay lang. So, we have the third evidence, yung una, babalikan natin is the biological. Number two is the geological, and then ito number 3 naman is the climate evidence. Glacial deposits formed around 300 million years ago during the Perma-Carboniferous glaciation have been discovered in Antarctica, Africa, South America, India, and Australia. Today, some of these areas are warm. However, if the southern continents are placed together near the South Pole, the distribution of these glacial deposits makes logical sense. They support the idea that they were once connected. Okay, number 4 evidence is the seafloor spreading. Later discoveries about the ocean floor provided strong support for continental movement. At mid-ocean ridges, underwater mountain ranges, new oceanic crust is formed as magma rises from the mantle. This process is called the seafloor spreading. So magnetic striping patterns found on both sides of mid-ocean ridges show that new crust is continuously created and pushed outward. This explains how continents are slowly moved apart by tectonic plate motion. So panoorin po natin ito. Ayan. Yung pattern po na linya dyan is yung polarity. So nagkakaroon ng alternating polarity. Ayan. Yan yung pang-apat na evidence. The seafloor spreading. Ayan. Discussion highlights. Ito yung kung isa-summarize natin yung mga inilatag na evidence ng mga scientists to prove the existence of Pangea before. We have the biological evidence. Fossils of Mesosaurus found in South America and Africa. Number 2 evidence, the geological evidence. Sa geological, we have jigsaw feet of continents, rock cratons, and mountain belts. And another evidence, the climate evidence, the glacial deposits in Antarctica, Africa, India, and Australia. And number 4 evidence is the seafloor spreading. The mid-ocean ridge create new crust and push plates apart. So for individual activity, the evidence chart, materials, printed evidence chart worksheet, pen or pencil, science notebook, or task instruction, distribute the evidence chart worksheet to each student. Explain that they will complete a 4-column table based on the lesson. Students must fill in each column clearly and completely using information discussed in class. Okay, ito yung pinaka-table format. We have the type of evidence, the description, example, why it supports Pangea. Okay, students should include at least 3 to 4 types of evidence such as continental feet, fossil evidence, rock formation, climate evidence, or the glacial deposits. For each row type of evidence, name the category. Description, briefly explain what it is. And example, give a specific example. For example, the Mesosaurus fossils found in South America and Australia and Africa. Why it supports Pangea. Explain how it shows continents were once connected. Okay, ito yung rubrics. Okay, for exit reflection, which evidence do you think is strongest? Why? And how does evidence make a scientific theory reliable?